Welcome to our WonderCam and QShare document camera training video. Every classroom in Lake County is now equipped with a Samsung or Promethean display, and soon a wireless document camera as well. We made this investment because we are committed to bringing you and your students the very best tools to support teaching and learning. The Promethean display and Qomo WonderCam are designed to work hand in hand, making it easier to engage students and bring our district framework to life in your classroom.
In the box you'll find the WonderCam Pro, which unfolds to its full height just like the picture on the box. What really makes this document camera stand out is the QShare, a small wireless receiver. It lets your Doc Cam connect over Wi-Fi without using up the Wi-Fi connection on your board. In the box are several cables, but you'll only need two: the power cable, easy to spot by its small bump, and the cable that connects the QShare to your Chromebox. These next two cables aren't needed, so just put them back in the box. When you open the box, your QShare will already be paired with the camera. See this little red button? Pressing it can unpair your QShare. Just plug it into the Chromebox and forget it. This light blinks red when first connected to the Chromebox, flashes green while locating the Doc Cam, and turns solid green once they're connected. Connecting your QShare to the Chromebox is easy. Just plug the USB-C to USB cable into the QShare's USB-C port, and it's ready to go. The WonderCam has the typical buttons: power, light, freeze, and a resolution switch. The WonderCam also has a shuttle wheel that lets you scroll through its settings. Press a selection button, like zoom, brightness, or focus, then turn the shuttle wheel to adjust the value. The WonderCam has 3 adjustable hinges that let it move with flexibility, and it can also adjust its height. On the base you'll find the power LED, Wi-Fi indicator, battery indicator, which lasts up to 8 hours, and the microphone. On the back you'll find the USB-C output, HDMI output, the USB/HDMI/Wi-Fi switch, and the reset hole. Connecting the Share to the Chromebox is easy. Just plug the USB side of the cable into the Chromebox, then place the Share on the shelf of your display cart. The first thing to do is move the toggle to Wi-Fi if you're connecting wirelessly. Remember, the toggle must always match the source you're using. Next, power on the WonderCam. When it starts up, the front will light up with a little show. You'll notice the Wi-Fi light blinking green as it searches for the QShare. When the WonderCam and QShare connect, the QShare shows a red light first, then blinks green to match the WonderCam, and finally both turn solid green once connected. I'm using my Chromebook to demonstrate, but the same steps apply on your display. As you can see, I'm connecting the QShare to my Chromebook and then powering on the WonderCam. You'll notice the lights turning on, blinking, and then going solid once they're connected. Now I'm launching the Visualizer app from my Chromebook shelf. Since I'm on a Chromebook, it first linked to the front camera. But once it recognized the Qomo Doc Cam, it switched over. Just be patient during this process.
Thanks for watching and for being part of our display trainings. Every classroom in Lake County now has a Samsung or Promethean display, and soon a wireless doc cam too. We've made this investment to give you the best tools for teaching and learning. Together, the Promethean display and WonderCam make it easy to engage students and bring lessons to life. Looking for more resources? Check out the Google Classroom from the camera and display training. Contact Jane Chapuis if you need the link. And if you need extra help, just submit a work order in Incident IQ. We're excited to see how you'll use these tools with your students.